Okay, so good morning, everyone, and hi, this is Desmond O'Neill here again from O'Neill Photography. And today we are going to be taking a look at FM World. Going to be taking a look at FM World, and right now I'm in the FM World catalog, and as you can see, there's the flagship Utique fragrance right here, as well as some other products that are available. You have sun protection lotion, you have a nourishing tan accelerator, you have dry oil, you have the thermal water. But for the US shop, what we do have is the fragrances. All right, now the other items can be available from the global shop, but from the US shop, what we have are the fragrances, and I love these fragrances as well. There's an app that you can go to that is available for download on your mobile device. Just go to, if you have an Android, you just go to the mobile shop or the Play Store as it were, and you can get to download these. There are two ones that I use. One is called FM News. All right, that gives you the latest news on all of the FM products. And the second one is the Perfume Finder, and that one is very, very nice. You can actually speak with your clients and find out what type of perfume that they have. When you open up the app, what you're going to see is it will have the English language. You click there, you find out if it's for a male or a female, and then you can find out what they like, if they like water, if they like strong coffee, if they like a modest look, if they like something that is seductive and sensual, if they like in a high class restaurant, if they like to be traveling in a limo. You click that, and then it gives you the fragrances that go with that. You have a Pure 465, the Pure 466, or the Utique Ruby. All right, so while we are going through the catalog here, you can see that FM World is actually a fantastic business venture that you can get into. So I'm just going to go right here into my my own web page, and as I said, this is for demonstration purposes only. I'm going to just take a look at the Royal section, and by clicking on Pure Royal, as you can see here, the products come straight up. Now these are very good prices at only $25 to you if you sign up now. I'm going to leave a link in the description so that you can sign up and start promoting right away. Now there are two basic ways in which you can earn money from FM marketing. One, you can decide to order the product for yourself, and to order the product is very simple. As soon as you hover your mouse over the product, you're going to see a plus and a minus. You just click plus. All right, and I can order 2 bottles of this, and then straight away I can put this into my cart. All right, I can add that to my cart, and as you can see, it's already added to my cart here. All right, if you look on my cart there, it is already added, and as you can see already, I have 90 points in there. I can go ahead and add another one. I can maybe add 3. All right, and click on my cart there, and immediately with 3 bottles of perfumes that I have ordered for my friends. You can see that the cost is $75 and 270 points I have accumulated one time. All right, or immediately. I can go here. I can go to my shopping basket, and the shopping basket will tell me immediately that I have all of these products here. I can add a promo code. Right, it says that the promo code has already been in use, right? And I can go forward and place the order right now if I so desire. So I have 270 points already, and as you can see, the next point I can place the order, right? And it asks me if I want it to be at my address. I can say yes. I go to next. All right. There is a DHL, only $31. Now, get this, for all those 3 bottles of perfume. Now, if I add 10 bottles of perfume, I still only pay $31 US for the shipping. So my advice to you is that you order as many as you want, because there's one flat shipping rate direct to you. All right, so the more you order, the better it is going to be. Ordering 1 bottle is going to be a little expensive, but if you order more than one, it will be at that one shipping price. Isn't that fantastic? And then you click next, and then right, great. So it's gonna confirm to me. Now all I'm paying is $106 US. All right, and I have 270 points in the bag, and it's going to come straight to me at my address, being delivered by a reputable courier company, DHL. And then I can order and pay. It's going to check the order summary here. All right, it's going to check my, or it's going to check. Right, bam, 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 bam. Right, and so it is asking me now to confirm I can pay with my Visa card, I can pay with American Express, I can pay with my Discover card. You just fill out the information, and then you click pay at the end of it, and that is going to be all that you have to do. All right, so I trust that you can see how easy it is to order from FM World. All right, it is very, very easy to order, and you can purchase it and distribute to your customers as best as possible. And as I said, that there's a point system that you have, and the advantage with the point system is that it goes onto your record. It helps you with all of the different promotions that are available. All right, with all of the different promotions that are available and worldwide, and you can get to accumulate as much points as you can, and you can always take part in the various promotions that the company has. Now, I just love this company here. The Utique brand is great. These are the flagship ones, as I said before. Buying just 1 bottle, you have accumulated 280 points. So the points are very, very high for the Utique brand. You can go to the pheromones. Let's excuse me a little bit. Sahara dust in my area affects my sinuses, so that's what takes place. All right, so you can go to the pheromone section, and the pheromones are very relatively cheap. These are the $17 a bottle, and you can buy for both male and for both female. All right, so that's just my little presentation here so far. You can go to the link at the bottom and sign up. It is very, very easy. All you have to do is to sign up, put in all the relevant information, and just like that, you will be able to start earning from FM marketing. All right, so I'm Desmond O'Neill here from O'Neill Photography, and just thanking you all for joining in the presentation today. Have a great day, everybody.